And that's off the top of one of the most exciting pieces of road in the world of motorsport. And a little bobble through Forest Elbow for McLaughlin on that occasion.
11 to go, mate, 11 to go.
So, just to get this in perspective, that's Richard Holway talking to Scott McLaughlin about what's going on here. They're hanging on a safety car. Neil Crompton sold us the prospect of making it to 137 to get home. They've stopped on 136 down the inside. He goes, he's into the side of him. They run into each other. He's blocked out brake. He's going to redress. He's going to redress.
But look at this. Look
No, they're all gone. They're all gone. Tander's off. McLaughlin's off. The redressing's caused that. Tander had nowhere to go.
Can you keep going, bud?
You're kidding me.
No way.
You're kidding me. And this will trigger a safety car. Very likely a safety car. What a disaster. 11 laps remaining in the great race.
Just be careful, be careful.
And this is a terrible shame. Garth Tander's got damage that will stop that car.
Mate, I couldn't control
it's
it.
all over. There's damage that will stop.
Mate, you keep going.
There's damage that will stop car 33 as well. I think McLaughlin can't get out of it from here.
Okay, mate. Yeah, I reckon you got to come in, mate. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at it.
That is an absolute disaster. What a shame. What a shame. Rusty.
They're standing by with 4 green tyres for Fabian Coulthard. They're going to bring 12 in, and you should have heard the cheer. No one wants to see an accident at the mountain, but this could change the game for Fabian Coulthard at a critical time.
Certainly will. Coulthard's got the lead by 15 seconds. That car is destroyed, the Garth Tander car. Here's the replay. It started with Whincup on the dirty side of the road, locked up and tags Scott McLaughlin, who takes to the grass. And then Whincup comes out of the throttle. Tander tries to go down between the two of them. They all make contact, and the Holden and the Volvo whack the wall.
Garth Tander got caught up in a redress. And I feel sorry for Garth Tander.
Yeah.
I mean, he was in the middle of a redress.
A 15-second time penalty for car 88. A
15-second penalty for
car 88
Jamie Whincup.
to be added to its race time.
Added to the race time.
Wow.
Race control has spoken.
And why they're all celebrating in Lucas Dumbrell Motorsport is that effectively puts Percat onto the podium.